wanted to do a brief overview of our one-bedroom villa in Grand Isle Resort in Exuma Beach. So here we see the little nice resort neighborhood. So we enter, we have kitchen, microwave and oven and stove. And before you come, you can actually even have them bring or get groceries for you, which we did. Just a few snacks and a full set of waters and Coke. So, see the dining area. In the living room. And this is the ocean view. You see the ocean over there. There's the door to the outside. Nice view of the marina over there. And could actually enter your bedroom from outside as well. So here. On your way to the restroom, very nice restroom. Dual sink, shower, nice tub. And you actually have washer and dryer, which you can use on your stay. All the way to the bedroom. 2 closets. Put our luggage there. There's a safe. Here's the other. A lot of space. And here's the bedroom. Nice place to charge your phone. Here's the outside again. So this is the one-bedroom villa, the Grand Isle Suite Resort in Exuma Beach.